What's up guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, I'm Damaris and you feel at home in Dam's Lifestyle family. If you are returning subscriber, I always say welcome back and thanks so much for all your support and may God bless you. Guys, I'm still at the coast and so tag along with me as I visit a pig farm in one of the Giriama village. On our way to the village to see the pig farm, we met this villager with his cows and I gave him a helping hand.
Ndio huyo mchungaji. Mchungaji wa Giriama. Dide yako mama naye. Sawa kabisa. Sasa wazi navaa barakoa ili sisi tafune mahindi ya wenyewe.
Hii ni zeni tu.
Here we found these goat eating branches of this tree. It's very interesting how they just live here and they just live like one family.
Jina nimekubalika. Sisi tunaanza kuvuna.
Sasa yamepangwa yatazaa.
Yatazaa. Huko kwetu ni maweni lakini mtu akiangalia hivi anakuta hakuna rutuba mahindi ya zani lakini atazaa hivi.
Nzuri.
Huko kwetu
Guys, at long last, we are at the pig farm and I would say most of the Kenyans have moved from dairy farming to a profitable pig farming. Nowadays, pig farming is one of the livestock venture and not a dirty venture like people may take it. This is a female pig. I understand it's pregnant. And as you see, it's drinking water. Soon it will get inside and it will have a shower. So it's no longer a dirty venture. This showering and drinking water helps the pig's temperature to cool down when it's very hot.
It's showering now. Lovely. So beautiful.
Guys, to prevent heat stress to pigs, they should have unlimited access to fresh drinking water at all time. During summer or hot weather, feed pigs in the morning or in the evening because they don't feed well when it's very hot. Guys, if you like such kind of a video, smash the like button, and if you haven't subscribed, consider doing it and hit the notification bell so that when I upload any new video, you'll be the first one to be notified. You are also free to drop any sweet comment down below.